Today cabinet took decision to transfer all waste. It was decided earlier, and a waste management corporation has been formed through a act, but there were certain works which had already been being operated by various other agencies. GSIDC कोळमुटे करताले, काकोड्याची जी आसा ती GSIDC तांच्यांनीच सगळे प्रोसेस केल्लो. काही अन्य projects about waste management, they पूर्णपणे cabinet has approved to transfer all of them lock, stock, barrel with contract, everything to Goa Waste Management. Goa Waste Management has been given the task of entire management of all types of waste. But local collection of the panchayats has to be done by panchayat and municipal bodies. We will assist them to do that. Panchayat department has already approved administratively provisions of increasing the garbage money which is given to panchayats from 1 lakh to right up to 9 lakhs depending on type. Those who are located next to major cities, 5 major cities, coastal belt, tourism belt, next to airport, they will all get 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs more for treating the waste in that areas. Issuance of identification and corresponding certificate under section 108 of land revenue. पयलींचे पळय जे हे आसता रेकॉर्ड्स, ताजे आयडेंटिफिकेशन सर्टिफिकेट बऱ्याच जाणांचे प्रश्न आता पोन्ने मातीज आनी तरेतरेचे रेकॉर्ड आसता, ताजे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सर्वे नंबर हे जायना, म्हणजे को रिलेट जायना. त्या संदर्भान गव्हर्मेंटान रुल्स फ्रेम केल्या. तातूंत भितर आयडेंटिफिकेशन सर्वे, ओल्ड कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लान, ताजो इक्विवलंट सर्वे प्लान दिवपाची प्रोविजन केल्ली आसा. ताका रूल जो आसा, for payment of some fee, government will issue identification certificate and necessary corresponding certificate for the old cadastral plan.